Anthony, what are you doing? Stop making yourself choke. No. Stop it. Anthony, stop it. Stop doing that, you silly boy. Stop. Hey. What are you doing? You're silly. Why do you want to do that? Anthony? Get your hands out of your mouth. Anthony Joel. Stop. Stop that. You're so goofy. Why do you want to make yourself choke, buddy? Anthony, cut it out. You're silly. You're being a silly boy. Anthony.